Oh, hell yeah. The beat drop is about to come soon, guys. Are you guys ready for the beat drop? Look, people, look, okay, beat drop, yeah. Rolling around at the speed of sound. You wonder what's running by you in the flash. Oh, what's that thing? Something the live just can't replace. Oh no, you can't replace. No. You wanna dig my skull under your heel? For the time you'll find or any trick left on me. Well, that's too late. A fight to be free. And I'm always thinking 2 steps ahead. Don't care who stands in my path, I'll never change who I am. Who only believes it, push me to carry on. Oh my god, give it on that. My new terms. God. God, yeah, now I'm running. I don't let insanity slow me down, or make me second guess. I'll pave my own way forward and clean up this mess. Gotta keep on rolling, gotta keep singing my song. Okay, if you think that you're faster than you are wrong. Oh, wait, no, that's the wrong lyric, god damn it. That's fine, I can redeem myself. No, because I'll die by your hands. With the strength buried in my mind. Bring your worst, I won't hold back. You all twist the way I feel, I keep moving on. Oh hell yeah, I'm rocking the hell out of this guitar. Let's go, yeah, can 2011X do this? No, that's what I'm for. There's no more holding back, and so you toy with, like, no, singing with the violence. This isn't what you wanted from me. There's no mercy left, no war. Nothing can bring them back. This might be the wrong melody. No, cause I got all this game. I'll break free of the chains that held me back from showing you what I'm made of. I'll live to see the day, escape from this place. That's who I am, the master of defying. Defying. I've got your limit right here. I'll build my own way and by my own rules. Can't copy my face, can't get at my ideals, now can you? No! You'll stand down into the pain, bring the thunder like a hurricane, live and learn. Hanging on the edge of tomorrow, never go your way, so don't be. Cough.